Peg leg. Y'all leave him alone. As you can see, he's scared. Y'all are scaring him. Says he doesn't play like a dog. He doesn't play right. He doesn't play right. No, he doesn't. Well, say he's not going to play. What are we going to do? Huh? If he's not going to play right, what are we going to do? Huh? What are you going to do? There's my good boy. There's my good boy. There's my good girl. There's my good girl. Here's my good girl. Here's my pretty girl. Here's my pretty boy. The big cat wrestlers. The big cat people. Yeah, gonna get those cats. The great hunters. The great hunters. The great hunters. Yeah. There's your boyfriend.